Hello, my lovely students. Good morning to each one of you. Welcome to this world of chemistry. So, welcome to digital classes. समय 10 से 12 वाला हर घर बने पाठशाला. This is your chemistry period, and today's topic is Nernst equation. Okay. So, as usual, let's start with the positive mindset. According to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, it is his famous uh, thought that you have heard so many times, that is, I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help, because beauty is required to heart, not in face. This thought is perfect in present day. As you can see, due to this lockdown, due to this COVID-19, many people, they want help. They required so many things. Just first requirement is the food. So we can see in our surrounding also, those animals, pet animals, or I can say wild animals, they are not getting food. And some of the people also, which are under poverty line, those who are not getting food. So it is my request from all of you, if you will find this kind of pet dog in your that in your uh, surrounding, or any birds, ठीक है, crow, so please provide them food, so that these people, these kind of animals, they can also get their food. Okay, side by side, if you want to help, so try to give something from your part, to protect, to save, to help the needy people. Okay, so let's start. This is Nernst equation. Today's topic is Nernst equation. Now let me start first why we are discussing about Nernst equation. The reason is there, as we did in last video in electrochemistry, the standard reduction potential. So from cell potential and standard electropotential, now we are going to Nernst equation. So what is Nernst equation? We have assumed in the previous section that the concentration of all the species involved in the electrode reaction is unity. It means that all the electrode which is immersed in a concentrated solution, yeah, I can say electrolyte, it all, in that case, it will be unity. But this need not to be always true, and Nernst shows that for the electrode reaction, suppose for example we will take the manganese. If if m metal, any metal, lose n positive charge, that means that n number of electron is losing from here. Okay, it is simple. If I'll explain you in simple way, like, if suppose zinc have two positive charge, it means that it lost two electron. Okay, and whereas on the other side, if H having one positive charge, it means that it is losing one electron. So number of positive, number of electron, number of positive number of electron will be there. Okay, so it is derived by Nernst in his equation. So according to his equation, the let me take this in a little bit zoom way. Nernst equation is, can be written like this way. Okay, first you need to understand how we can write the Nernst equation. The Nernst equation can be written in this way, in which E is electrode, E m n plus, and this line is representing the reaction, cell reaction. M, when any ion is converting into metal, then E naught will be there, Mn plus M minus, this is minus RT. R is rate constant, temperature, upon N is number, F is Faraday, log in M upon Mn positive, M upon M n positive. N positive means aqueous, this is aqueous, or you can say this is the ionic form. Okay, but solid M concentrated constant, so E is becoming E m n plus slash M is equal to E naught Mn plus, this is called cell reaction, M minus RT upon NF log n 1 upon Mn positive. So in case of Daniell cell, we know copper and zinc is using. So at cathode we have copper, so we will write E copper 2 positive converting to copper, and E naught is equal to copper 2 positive converting to copper minus RT. So how many electrons are there in 2 positive? 2 electrons, so we will write here N2. 2F is equal to 1 upon copper. In anode zinc, so here 2 zinc. Okay, now we will combine the cell potential. E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode, you know very well. So by putting this equation, E cell equation here, by putting this value of this equation here, yes, here, and by putting the equation of zinc this in place of here, so we are getting E copper 2 positive, copper minus RT upon 2F, this is minus E zinc 2 positive minus this. Okay, so we will see this is common, and rest is E naught cell minus RT NF log common, zinc 2 positive upon copper 2 positive, zinc 2 positive upon copper 2 positive, so it is anode plus upon cathode. Okay, so always, dear students, keep this equation in mind how to calculate. So once again, whenever we are finding any Nernst equation, so we need to put this equation, we will write the equation like this way, as we have written in Daniell cell, E copper upon Ez zinc, so the formula become this, and after calculating this is become. Okay, so if you are not understanding, you can ask me, I will make it in different way. So next is, it can be seen that E cell depend on the concentration of both copper and zinc ion. Now it increase with the increase in concentration of copper ion and decrease in the concentration of zinc ion. By converting the natural logarithm, the base 10 of the substituting the value of RFT in it, reduce that by taking this formula, like we are talking about this formula. So after calculating this formula, by putting all the formula, the value of R, value of T, value of N, value of F. Okay, so what is value of R? Value of R is 8, it is I think 8.314. so let me see, it is the value of R is 8.314 joule per Kelvin mole inverse, whereas value of F is 96487, which is written in general 96500 Kelvin mole inverse. Temperature is in Kelvin and N is 2 here. So by putting these all formula, we are getting this value equation, we are getting this equation after writing all the formulas. Okay, let me take this pen. After getting this, it is becoming E naught cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 2 log zinc 2 positive upon copper 2 positive. Okay, for a general electrochemical reaction, let's discuss the general electrochemical cell in Nernst equation. This is the cell reaction suppose AA plus BB, in which the small a is coefficient value and capital A is any reactant. It will be written, and the formula become E naught cell minus is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon N log N Q F. Okay, so the formula is becoming E naught cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF log N. C in coefficient form when you will write, so C, it will be C D or D upon A is power A and B is power B. Okay, so when we will write this formula, so it is becoming, this equation is called Nernst equation. Now I will discuss this equation in case of equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. Then if the circuit of Daniell cell closed, then we note that the reaction zinc and copper, it take place, and as the time pass, the concentration of zinc keep on increasing while the concentration of copper keep on decreasing. So the formula is becoming now E naught cell is equal to 2.303 RT upon 2F log zinc 2 positive upon copper 2 positive. And better if you will do this first, then you will use this formula, that will be better. Okay, so next is what is the equilibrium constant now, in which zinc 2 positive plus copper 2 positive will write as Kc. The formula is becoming now this equation, and Kc is we are writing in place of zinc upon copper in place of this. Okay, so it is becoming 1.1 volt. This value is called 1.1 volt, as we have discussed, we have already studied it. 1.1 volt is the cell potential of Daniell cell. Therefore log Kc become now, in place of voltage we will write this, in place of E naught cell we will write 1.1. so it is log Kc is equal to 1.1 volt into 2 now it will go up, and 0.059 will come down. So the formula is coming 367, the answer is coming 37.288. It become Kc is equal to, when we are finding the log 37.288, Kc is becoming 2 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 37 at 298. Okay, and in general it is written like this way. So this is equilibrium. Thus the above equation gives the relationship between equilibrium constant of the reaction and standard potential of the cell in which that reaction takes place. Thus equilibrium constant of the reaction difficult to measure, otherwise can be calculated from the corresponding. It is a little bit mathematical, so if I'll get chance to, once again I will tell you when I will come live in front of you. Okay, so next is the electrochemical cell and Gibbs energy of the reaction. There is also some relation of Gibbs free energy with the electrochemical cell. So electrical work done in 1 second is equal to electrical potential multiplied by total charge passed. If we want to obtain maximum work from galvanic cell, then charge has to be passed reversibly. And the reversible work done by galvanic cell is equal to decrease in its Gibbs energy, and therefore if the EMF of the cell is E and NF is the amount of charge in that formula, then delta G will come, delta G is equal to minus NF E naught cell. And you know the formula of E naught cell is what? It is E naught cell minus E naught cell minus, okay, it is the formula. We know that the E cell is the intensive parameter of delta G is extensive property, the value depend on N. So delta, in case of Daniell cell, the delta G is becoming minus 2, N is 2 now, the minus 2 F E naught cell. But when we write is in equation, it is 2 zinc will react with 2 copper positive, will give 2 zinc positive and 2 copper. So delta G is becoming 2 to the 4. Okay, so delta R, the 2 is becoming multiply by 2, this it become minus 4 Fe naught cell. If the concentration of all the reacting species is unity, then E cell is equal to E naught cell, equal to E naught cell. So we will write this 4 is 1, so it become minus NF E naught cell. Okay, thus the measurement of E cell we can obtain an important thermodynamic quantity. Standard Gibbs energy of the reaction from the latter. We can calculate that delta G is equal to minus RT log K. So this is all about for today. If you are not understanding, this is little bit mathematical, so that's why it is difficult to take in this slides way. But whenever I am coming live, once again I will take both the concept Nernst equation and the equilibrium of Nernst equation definitely. Okay, so we did Nernst equation today. It is the cell potential which depend on the concentration of electrode. Derive Nernst equation, in which formula we are getting E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF log electrode cathode upon anode. So this is electron constant and the relation between electrochemical and Gibbs free energy we did. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you. Thanks a lot.